While arriving in Maldives or departing from Maldives, you might have to stay for one night at Male. However, in my opinion, you should choose Hulhumale instead of Male, and I'll tell you the reasons why. Because Hulhumale is more chilled out and relaxed compared to Male. The Hulhumale beach itself is very beautiful and scenic, and the entire stretch of Hulhumale beach has a lot of cafes and restaurants. The vibes are amazing as local people hang out till late, and they are all very cool. I think mostly all cafes or restaurants are open until 11 to 11:30 pm, and there are plenty of sitting options all along the beach. It doesn't feel crowded, but there are enough number of people to qualify this place as happening. The second reason being, if you start walking towards the jetty area through Central Park region, you will be able to see their clean streets, landscaping, how they love to decorate their playgrounds or building exteriors. This also gives you a good feel of the local culture and lifestyle. Though Central Park is a simple park, it's a nice place to walk around. You will also see a lot of construction and may even be surprised at how well managed it is. I didn't know until now that even the construction buildings could look so beautiful. The third reason being, you can explore the Hulhumale jetty area, which is equally beautiful and scenic. Especially if you go during the sunset hours, you will be able to enjoy breeze, clear water views, and may even be able to see some fishes with bare eyes. There isn't much crowd here, only a few locals enjoying the evening and some snacks. We could see some cruises at a distance and they were playing Bollywood music which could be heard very clearly. Someone is playing to cheese badi hai mast mast. I think the sound is coming from that ship. It was pleasantly surprising how they were playing old songs like Tu cheese badi hai mast mast. Though we explored very little of Male, we felt it was very crowded and busy place and didn't have the same vibes as Hulhumale. So I would highly recommend that you choose Hulhumale over Male and have a fun-filled evening walking down the Kaani Magu street which runs along the entire stretch of the beach. In case you don't want to buy the expensive food or water bottles at the restaurant or the hotel you are staying at, you can always go to the supermarket, some of which are open 24 hours. And for going to the Hulhumale beach area from the airport, you can easily hire a taxi which is available outside the airport arrival gate. The taxi is available at a standard rate of $5 for transfer to Hulhumale. I hope this video provided you information which is useful in making the decision whether to stay in Hulhumale or Male. If you have any further questions, feel free to write in comment section. I'll try my best to respond to them. Do check out my other videos related to Maldives. Bye bye for now.